Welcome to the Iron Tech. This video is very important because in this video I will tell you how to write the tags, YouTube tags by using speech notes. So for example, previous we were discussing about how to change the channel tags on YouTube. So it's up to you. First two or three will be really helpful for you. If there is any title, you can copy that and you can click their channel tags on YouTube. So it's up to you as well. After that, you are going to here and you are speaking and you are getting the keywords here. For example, I am writing here how I can get the ideas about to change the YouTube tags. YouTube channel tag change method. How can I change my channel tags? How to change the tags on YouTube channel? Best method to change the tags on YouTube channel. Tutorial to change the YouTube channel tags. Tutorials for YouTube channel tags. So in this way, I have speak different things. Almost you can see it has worked a lot. So for example, I have these uh, tags. So for example, you will copy and you will cut this one. Why I'm cutting? Because if you will come here, you should know which thing has to be remain, and you are making to the next level. So this is next one. After that, so this is the best method and quick method. You will save the time. So in your comment you can tell us how you have got this idea. Is it useful for you or not? And if you are new on our channel, you should subscribe this channel, as well as you can also our other channel, which is also Mehri Tech. You can search there and get the results. So you should support this channel because we will tell you better and better tricks to grow on YouTube as well as on other social media. So again, I am going here. You can see the tutorials for YouTube. So it will save you a lot of times. So but more I can write here because you can see there are 377 by 500. So a video language that is in English. Where is English? I am going to find here, like here. So in English. After that, everything is already okay. Okay. So now you will go to the save option as well, but I have to select its monetizations as well. I already told you I think many times, but today I will go quickly because it will also be really helpful for you. But we have to add the thumbnail, but the creations of the thumbnail you already know. If you have missed the video, you can go into our previous video just 2 or 3 days before we have uploaded that thing. So I hope you have liked this video. So see you very soon. Take care, keep smiling. Goodbye.